So we have recently bought a property in GHR Callisto, which is in Kollur, and we were looking for interior options. There were a couple of companies that we did go through, and we met in the market. We went to the space to see the material and everything, and Home Lane was one of the options we had. The new branch in Home Lane, Nalaganda, also is very close to our current existing house, which made it even more easier for us to come here and check out their office, see how the modular and everything is done. And one thing that stood out for us when we came to Home Lane Nalaganda is the kind of attention to detail and understanding what a client actually requires and what is their specific necessity. Not just giving us what's in the brochure or what's a template and things like that. They took a solid 1.5 hours to understand every single detail of us from hall to kitchen, and none of this is even without us making a payment. This is still the first review only. So that kind of took a lot of our that really made us happy and wanted us to come back again for a meeting number 2. So when we gave her all our requisites and everything, we said we'll meet another time after checking other companies. We came back also after a week. They had almost a rough draft ready with our house set up, everything done, which was very rough for us to understand how the actual picture is going to look out. So that's one thing why Home Lane stood out for us as a family. And
I think if I just have to add on to that, when they welcomed me the first time itself, when we came and other places we went, they just made us sit for some time and they took their own time to come and actually help us. But here, the way they welcome, the way they ask our requirements, how do we want it, what kind of style do we need, what are we looking for, those areas actually stood out. And the first meeting we had with Faiz, it was perfect. The way he noted down all the pointers and then he gave all the pointers to Gayatri, and she actually helped us out in understanding the different kind of materials, what materials do they use, and how can we actually plan it ahead. And I think overall the experience was really good. And on top of it, the way Diksha actually handled it, that turned out to be a conversion for us. So we were really happy and we thought, okay, the same day we decided, we finalized, we made the payment, and then we went ahead.
So, kudos to the team, definitely. But our designers being Gayatri, Sharon, the fact that they know each client in person, they attend to their specific needs personally, and they do really go above and beyond to make us understand what is there in the market, not just compromise on the quality, understand the woodwork, the framing and everything. I think it comes with a lot of experience and a lot of patience to build a team where all of them have the same kind of a mindset to work in such a style. So kudos to the entire team, and we are now looking forward for the final output, and I'm sure this whole team is going to do well. So all the best to you all, and anytime you can choose this company.
And one thing to add on is how many ever changes we were giving, they were ready. They were doing it with a happy face. They didn't get irritated. They didn't tell okay, no, only 3 changes you can do. Nothing like that. They were ready to accommodate how many ever changes we were giving. And thank you so much for the whole team actually.